What you want? What you want? Is that what you want? Oh, yeah, that's what you want. Oh, I just got all over your face. Oh, let me get that out of your eyeball, baby. I'm sorry. There we go. My bad. All right. This is Emma's night feeding. She usually eats a little bit more. Do you want more? What? You want some more? Want more? More? Okay, here we go. Oh, there you go. Let me get in there. More? More? No? Okay, try this. You want some more? Want some more? More? I'll take that as a no. That was about 28 cc's, which was the same thing she ate last night. And she's how old?
9 weeks tomorrow.
Yep. And she flies. She's on her way to weaning. Earlier she had a blueberry poop. She loved her blueberries that we gave her today. Good girl. Give me a kiss. No, don't play coy with me. Thank you. That's a good girl. Ugh, baby food though in the mouth.